Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. My name is Erica. If you're new here, hello, nice to meet you. Please do support the channel by subscribing, liking, and tapping the bell button if you'd like to be notified once I upload a video. And if you've been with me for quite some time, hello, nice to see you again. How I did this makeup. This is a makeup that I did for an event, so work, and also because my friend Kendra requested it, so I wanna, stay true to my promise, and I'm gonna share how I did this makeup. And also to my friend here on YouTube, she told me how much she loved my makeup tutorial, so I wanna just honor and just appreciate that. If you wanna know how did this makeup look, just keep on watching. Hi guys! Ginawa ko na yung kilay ko. I'm not gonna do a tutorial on the kilay anymore. Dahil alam ko you guys like to speed things up. And I did my other eye makeup already. So now I'm gonna show you how I did this eye makeup on my other eye. So first things first, what I do is concealer as my eye prime. So the reason why I use an eye primer is because I want the eye makeup to really stick, and I haven't done my base. I don't want my base suffer fall-offs later. It's a Dream. Ito yung tsura niya. This is 15 colors eyeshadow, and I love this because their eye makeup is super pigmented, and it's a local brand. I'm going to use the Dusk as my base color, and this is in the color of like fleshy tone. It looks like color brown on the eye palette, pero when you put it on your skin, it looks flesh. So, I like it kasi it's the closest to my skin tone. And that's what I want to do. I just want to mimic the skin tone. YS eyeshadow. This color right here. There. You can use whatever color, same tone as the ones I'm using. I'm not really promoting any, eye palette. And then, you go look for a blending brush and just blend away. I'm not happy with it. Pero ito kasi yung nagawa ko sa kabila, so I'm just replicating it. I'm gonna ask some help from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette to use the caramelized, this one right here. I'm gonna dip my brush right there. And I'm just gonna focus on the crease area again. I really want to deepen the color, that's why I'm doing this. So I want to build some more, really make it darker. And I'm gonna use the blending brush again, take out the harsh lines. I want to make it more vibrant by focusing on the middle area. So now I'm going to use another product. It's the Blythe. Blythe in 203. That's 203 Pegasus. But my only problem with it is yung doe foot, hindi siya masyadong nakaka-absorb ng product. So, pag tina-transfer ko siya, wala akong makuha masyado. And ang bilis niyang mag-dry. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna let it set and dry up. And I'm going to go back to my detail makeover, Sunset Dream. Ask help from the moon color right here. It's like a brick red. I'm gonna dip my blending brush on that color. And of course, dust off the powder. And I'm gonna use that to blend this area. That's the reason why ayaw natin gawin yung base natin bago tayo mag-eye makeup, kasi magbubura tayo ng mga kalat-kalat. So, I'm gonna erase. There we go. And now we are going to put some eyeliner. Sa eyeliner, we're not gonna do anything crazy. It's just something really subtle and close to the waterlines. And I'm using this Lancome Le Crayon Kohl. I hope I said that right. It's the Black Ebony. I'm just gonna use this one to focus on the waterline. Okay, now that we're done with our eyes, we're gonna do the base. So what I used for the base when I attended the event is this BLK Cosmetics Skin Tint Sun Shield SPF 30, which I super love. It's like your skin but better. what I do is I put on primer. It's MAC Prep and Prime. So now that we're done with our base, we're going to use a MAC Studio Fix powder to set it. I'm gonna swirl the brush, dust off the powder, and then lagyan ng buhok. Kainis. We are not done because we are going to contour our face because there's nothing like an event and not contour your face. I'm gonna use my contouring brush. Any contouring brush will do. I'm going to use the middle one because it has gray undertone. We're going to use the BLK Cosmetics Color Flushed as our blush on. This time we're gonna use the FS Cosmetics and it's in the color Ambient Star. We're going to use this as our highlighter. And this is the one that's gonna make it look like glassy. Now naman, we're gonna focus on our lips. This is very nude, very nude. Pero what I did was, I overlined my lips using this Vice lip liner just to make my lips bigger. I'm using this Happy Skin Gloss Type Cotton Candy as the gloss just on the middle part of my lips. Alright guys, we are done. Pero ayusin ko lang ang kilay and then babalikan ko kayo. Okay? More videos where I share with you how I do certain makeup looks and tutorials and whatever, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll be happy to do it for you. And also by subscribing, please don't forget to support the channel. I would really appreciate it. So alright guys, I'll see you again in my next video, and don't forget to channel your positivity and be a ray of sunshine to whoever you meet because you are. Bye!